Right, so I give you a bunch of values and I want the MCTs, the range and the standard deviation. I went ahead and entered all of this into my calculator. It's probably a good idea to arrange it, sort it, go back in there. Let's figure out the mean, median, and mode. So I go stat calc, one variable statistics. So the mean is 3.67, and we don't have units. So that's it, right? The mode, I'll figure it out in a bit. The median is 6. 1 mark, we'll give you 1 mark for each today. Range, you gotta take the max, which is 12, minus the min, which is -5. And that's essentially 12 plus 5. So that's 17. Standard deviation is 5.93. Okay. 5.93. And the mode, we'll go and figure that out. -5, -5. Seems like -5 is it, yeah. 2 -5s right there. So mode is -5. So 1 mark for each. What I would like is at the very least is you go 1 variable stats. If you just tell me that and then your answers, I'm okay with that. If you didn't do it today, that's fine. Just moving forward, make sure you include that. So 5 marks so far. We want this, we're using this table, this is a frequency table, to figure out mean, range, sample size, standard deviation. So when you have a table like this, if there is a interval, you want to find the midpoints. In this case, these are already single values. So we type that into L1, and this goes into L2. And then we would go 1 variable stats, L1, comma, L2. That's what needs to happen here, okay? Otherwise, you're going to get this one wrong. So I'm going to go and clear that. 34, 36.5, 29, 33, 28.5. And that's 2, 5, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so we go stat, calc, 1 variable statistics. Do not sort. Do not sort any of your L1s because then you're going to mess up the pairing. Okay, this one needs to be paired up with that one. So we go 1, 2, enter, and here are my results. Okay, so my mean is 33.23 meters. Okay, that's what our variable is, it's meters. The range, we're gonna go and look it up. So 36.5 minus 28.5. And the range there is 8 meters. Sample size, we need to, there's 13 here. 13 is your sample size. 13, I don't know what, trees, whatever we measure the height of, but there's 13, that's what the sample size is, it's n. Standard deviation, it's 3.17 meters. So if you missed the L1 and L2, you go -1 right away. And then I will honor whatever you've put in, whatever your numbers are. Obviously, they're going to be different. Your sample size will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It'll just be 5. So, yeah.
What if I did L1 and L2, but I switched the two tables?
Did you put this into L1, that into L2, or?
Yeah. So
Still -1.
okay.
unfortunately. State the name of the graph that uses bar graphs to depict frequency. That would be a histogram. The graph that plots the midpoints versus the frequency, that's a frequency polygon. True or false? Vertically opposite angles are supplementary. False. They're equal to each other. Remember what those are? When two lines cross, this one is going to be equal to that one, right? That's one pair of vertically opposite. Corresponding angles are supplementary. False. Corresponding are equal, okay? So this would be a corresponding, this one is the same as that one, right? That's a pair of corresponding angles. State the angle that's complementary to this one. That is 56, right? You want it to add up to 90. Complement, it's right to complement someone. 90, complement, right? So it should be 56. What's the vertex? This one is pointing up. I know that, so we have to find the min, right? Second trace min. And so that's 2.5, negative 12.25. If you have that correctly. So I will go second trace min, and then you get that. So 15 marks for this AC. We'll leave the back for now. To be continued. 15 out of 15. 15.